Hi boys and girls and ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be making a nature mandala. Come join us around our yard. Come on, let's go. These are cute little buds. Come on, let's pick some more. Guys, come on, let's pick one of these. Hey! We want to brighten up us. Come on, let's pick some more of the evergreens.
Maybe bigger pieces.
Yeah, let's buy bigger pieces like these ones over here. Yeah. Boys and girls, after we got all our stuff for nature mandala, let's build our nature mandala. So before we start building it, I want to show you some stuff that we got from our backyard. So we found some leaves, some pretty flowers, some weeds, this type of flower. So let's start building our nature mandala.
I close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we desire.
Hi guys! I hope you enjoyed making the nature mandala with me. Shout out to my teacher, Miss Van Buren, for giving me the idea. Okay? I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, hit the bell, like it,